I wanted to give everybody an update on the direction of the channel. It's changed a couple of times since it first started, and I just wanted to acknowledge how much I appreciate all of you who have subscribed. That has meant so much to me, and I hope to be able to continue to offer things that will be meaningful to you. But I just wanted to give you a little background. So first of all, when I started the channel several years ago now, it was Bee and Peacock Organizing, which is the name of my professional organizing business, which is still functioning. I still do that full time. But after a couple of years of, doing content that was related around organizing how-tos and products and systems and things like that, I just wasn't connecting with it. And so I decided to switch my emphasis to helping other professional organizers who were heart-centered and empathetic in their entrepreneurial aspect, setting up their professional organizing businesses, marketing and social media, and helping them with their clients. And I did that for a couple of months and did a little bit of content, but honestly I just wasn't connecting with it. So I took a little bit of time off, and then earlier this year in 2024 I got my life coaching certification from Mindvalley, and it was an amazing experience. And I'm so excited about the new direction for the Conscious Organizer, which is obviously now the name of the channel. I am very excited about getting to the root problem of why things are cluttered and why people have spaces that they don't want, that don't feel good. It's still very much heart-centered, and I'm hoping to connect with people who share that, angle on life. But the content on this channel is now going to be around neuroscience and psychology and the body-mind connection and spirituality, and I'm very excited about this holistic approach. I've had so many clients over the years that, they would spend a lot of money and a lot of time on the organizing side of things, and then after we left, it would just go back to being, starting to be cluttered and just the way it was before, and they would be so discouraged. And so that really was a clear indication to me that there needed to be help for people who we need to address the deeper issue. That's why the tagline of this, the new channel, is Organize Your Mind, Transform Your Life. And I'm just so excited. I hope you'll join me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There'll be plenty of opportunities to work together with online programs and coaching and some webinars. And I just can't wait. I hope you'll join me as a new subscriber. And if you were a previous subscriber, I will still have all the organizing content up, but I hope that you'll find some kind of meaning and help in this new content that's coaching centered that will be coming out. So thank you so much again, and I look forward to seeing you on the channel. Bye-bye.